Welcome to the Rainbow Sash Movement's podcast. U.S. Court overturns California same-sex marriage ban, aka Proposition 8. Saying that it unfairly targets gay men and women, a federal judge in San Francisco struck down California's voter-approved ban on same-sex marriage on Wednesday, handing supporters of such unions a temporary victory in a legal battle that seems all but certain to be settled by the U.S. Supreme Court. Chief Judge Vaughn R. Walker of the Federal District Court in San Francisco, who heard the case without a jury, immediately stayed his decision as pending appeals by proponents of Proposition 8, who confidently predicted that higher courts would be less accommodating than Judge Walker. But on Wednesday, at least, the wind seemed to be at the back of those who feel that marriage is not, as the voters of California and many other states feel, solely the province of a man and woman. The Rainbow Sash Movement joins in our community's joy at this decision, but the road ahead will be difficult, and we need to keep focused. Cardinal Francis George, President of the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops, decried the August 4th decision of a federal judge to overturn California voters' initiative that protected marriage as the union of one man and one woman. His Eminence said, "Marriage between a man and a woman is the bedrock of any society. The misuse of law to change the nature of marriage undermines the common good." Cardinal George said, "It's tragic that the federal judge would overturn the clear and expressed will of the people in their support for the institution of marriage. No court of civil law has the authority to reach into areas of human experience that nature itself has defined. Your Eminence, forgive us, but you are not that knowledgeable about civil law to be given any instruction, especially when we're dealing with the clergy sexual abuse scandal that took place in your own archdiocese under your own very nose, and you refuse to take responsible action. Please, don't be pointing the finger or giving instructions to any others on morality." Joining Cardinal George in his criticism of the court decision was Archbishop Joseph Kutz, chair of the Ad Hoc Committee for the Defense of Marriage. Once again, the Rainbow Sash Movement wishes to condemn the overt homophobic statements of Cardinal Francis George, and it is our hope that people in his archdiocese will make their concerns known to the Cardinal on this matter and tell him that homophobia should not be confused with seeking common ground. Thank you, the listener, for listening to this issue of the Rainbow Sash Movement's podcast.